let's take it for a run. Yeah, first pull. Headlight works. Hey, all right, we're back. So working on the Skidoo 300, 1976 Skidoo 300. We're gonna grease up these bogie wheels down under here. It's kind of nice when your sons are getting tools of their own, and in fact, got a tool that I don't even have. One of these Milwaukee grease guns. So we're gonna grease them all up under there. There's a bunch of bogie wheels on this old girl, so we'll get them all. All right, we're gonna take this gear case off. I stand corrected. Chain case cover taken off. You know, it's interesting. I would have thought that'd have been number 10s. They're actually 3/8 size nuts or bolts, whatever. 3/8, not 10s. 10s strip a spin on it. I'll be darned. So. Got the bolt out. Fill cap. I got a little tray under here. That under there to catch the oil. Oop, one more at the top. Here we go. See how much oil is in here. Oh yeah. There it is. Not too bad looking. Okay. Looks in good shape for sure. I don't know, we'll look it up about how many ounces it needs to have. We'll put that back in there. Clean this all up. Clean this up and good to go. Alright, well, we got the cover back on. And got this AMS oil, chain and gear case oil. Chain case and gear oil. Synthetics can be good stuff. I don't think we need any more than 8 ounces in there. We'll start with that. Okay, there's 8. What I'll do is I'll do a little research on the interweb. Okay, well, checked out interweb, and it says 8 ounces of chain case oil. So we're good to go now. It's got good and clean. Make sure we got no leaks. We're good. All right, we're back. Got a few more things done on Skidoo, 1976 Skidoo Olympic 300. Look at there, I got this seat cleaned up. Looks like it's just stained, but we cleaned it all up. Some vinyl cleaner. Redid the taillight. Got added some little tabs in there so we could put that all back together. Still got the snow flap. Cleaned her up a little. And yeah, cleaned up under the hood some. Oh yeah, we got a new windshield. But before I show you that, just check this out. So check this out. Found this sticker under the hood here, so I put it back on. And that sticker tells a bunch of the specs on this. Olympic is the model, 302 is the engine. Talks about the ignition timing, spark plug gap, idle. Anyways, pretty cool. 50-50 fuel mix, which is what we did. Anyways, I also I still got to get a key switch, so we have a key. Or I'll look around, so maybe one of my other Skidoos will work in it. But anyways, easy. Things still work good. Look at that. We got the new windshield. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Cleaned her all up. Looks like it got stained at some point. I don't know. I'll try doing something with that someday. But I think she's gonna be good. Good little runner. Grease the bogies. New chain case oil. We are good to go. Just to wrap this up, but yeah, look, we'll start her up. I don't think my primer's working. Oh, there we go. I gotta get a key switch. Get the headlight. She runs. There it is. Plug this back on. There we go. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Skidoo Olympic. There we go. Skidoo. All right. Well, we're going to wrap this part 2 video up of the Skidoo 300. Excuse me. We're going to wrap this video up of the Skidoo Olympic 300. Got her all done. Got her all cleaned up. I ended up having a key switch from the old TNT project, so I just brought it up here because I had a key for that one. Put the windshield on, and we'll start it. But the headlight works, the tail light works. Again, all new fuel lines. She's running good. We're gonna take it for a ride out here and wrap this up. Trax appears to be in good shape. We got it all greased up. I replaced all the chain case oil as you saw, so she's good. Let's take her for a run. Yeah, first pull. Headlight works. Tail light. Brake. There it goes. Here we go. Look at that. That is gonna be fun. Probably take these stickers off it, clean it all up, but she seems to run good. Anyways, Mike with Pine Ridge Garage here. Sure appreciate you watching. Getting the old 76 Olympic 300 single cylinder. Got her going. Sure appreciate you watching. Again, hit that like button, subscribe, share with others, and hit the bell for notifications. We'll be having more videos on some other older vintage sleds too coming up. We also got that cat cutter we're going to be working on. So appreciate you. Appreciate all you watching. Again, remember, have fun while you're getting it done. See ya.